Let's talk business, but not the boring kind. You've heard of CRM, right? Customer Relationship Management. Sounds like a digital Rolodex? Think again. A CRM is your business's mission control. It's where you track leads, manage relationships, and keep your team on the same page. A CRM remembers every name, interest, and follow-up. No more lost sticky notes. It sorts your customers into groups, so you send the right message to the right person. Every interaction, emails, calls, clicks is tracked. Instead of "have you bought from us before?" it's "hey, I see you loved our last product. Here's something new." CRM isn't just a contact list, it's your business's secret weapon. It helps you prioritize leads, personalize outreach, and close more deals. It's the difference between chaos and clarity. CRM is the engine behind every great customer experience. Ready to level up? In today's world, business is all about relationships, and CRM is how you win. Welcome to the future of customer relationships. Now, let's spice things up. Add AI to your CRM. Suddenly, your CRM isn't just storing info, it's predicting what customers want before they do. AI analyzes past behavior and tells you who's likely to buy next, so you can send the perfect offer at the perfect time. Chatbots powered by AI handle common questions 24/7, freeing your team for the tough stuff. They even sense urgency in emails, so you can prioritize who needs help first. AI automates repetitive tasks, follow-ups, data entry, lead assignments, so your team can focus on building real relationships. It's like having invisible interns who never sleep. The result? More time for strategy, less time on busy work. AI-powered CRM means smarter, faster, more personal service. You're not just reacting, you're anticipating. That's how you turn good service into unforgettable experiences. Work smarter, not harder. That's the real business superpower. Time for the main event. CRM meets SEM, or search engine marketing. CRM knows your customers. SEM gets your ads in front of new ones. But together, they're unstoppable. Your CRM holds a goldmine of data. Who buys, what they love, how they shop. Feed that data into your SEM campaigns and you stop guessing who to target. Create lookalike audiences. Find more people just like your best customers. No more wasting ad dollars on the wrong crowd. Show loyal customers ads for products they'll actually want, not what they just bought. Upsell, cross-sell, and make every ad feel personal. The customer journey becomes seamless. Website, email, ad, all connected. It's not random, it's a conversation. Relevant, smart, and way less annoying. In a noisy world, being helpful and personal is how you stand out. CRM and SEM together. That's how you win the marketing game. Let's see it in action. Meet the Sock Spot, an online store selling wild, colorful socks. They were spending big on Google Ads, but targeting everyone and getting nowhere. Then they connected their CRM to Google Ads. They discovered their best customers, women 25-40, buying quirky animal socks, 3 to 5 pairs at a time. They built lookalike audiences and focused on specific keywords like cute cat socks for women. Suddenly, their ads spoke directly to the right people. Sales soared, ad costs dropped. More sales, less spend. All because they used CRM data to target smarter, not harder. The Sock Spot went from struggling to thriving. You don't need a huge budget, just smart data. Stop guessing. Start winning. That's the power of CRM and SM together. Let's talk numbers. Conversion rate and cost per click, CPC. conversion rate, the percentage of people who click your ad and actually buy or sign up. High conversion, your ad and site are working. Low, time to tweak. CPC, how much you pay for each click. Lower is better. Targeted ads from CRM data mean more relevant clicks, so Google charges you less. Track these numbers to see what's working. Test headlines, images, landing pages. Let the data guide you. Every campaign is an experiment. Double down on what works. Ditch what doesn't. Metrics aren't homework. They're your roadmap to better results. The more you measure, the smarter your marketing gets. Don't fear the data. Use it. That's how you turn clicks into customers and customers into fans. We all love feeling special, and so do your customers. Personalization isn't a bonus, it's essential. Your CRM knows what customers buy, browse, and abandon. Use that data to send targeted emails, like offering hiking boot discounts to someone who keeps looking at boots. Personalized messages build trust and loyalty. Customers stick around when they feel understood. It's not just about price, it's about experience. CRM data lets you create hyper-personalized SM ads too. Someone abandons a blue sweater? Show them that exact sweater in an ad later. It's a gentle nudge that turns browsers into buyers. Right message, right time, right person. That's how you build lasting relationships. Personalization turns one-time buyers into lifelong fans. The future? It's all about AI and automation. AI makes marketing smarter, more predictive, and more personal. Automation tools connect your CRM, ads, and sales. No more manual work or data silos. Platforms like Zapier or HubSpot sync everything, so your team focuses on strategy, not spreadsheets. The key: make your CRM the central hub for all your data. Break down silos for a complete view of your customer. It takes setup, but it's worth it. The digital world changes fast. New tools, new rules, new opportunities. Stay curious, experiment, and adapt. Integrating CRM and SEM is your first big leap. It's how you grow faster and smarter than the competition. Don't wait for the future. Build it. Connect your data, automate the boring stuff, and focus on what matters. That's how you win in business today. You got this.